In ancient China, in a village nestled between mountains and rivers, lived a humble farmer named Zhu Sun. Zhu Sun's family was known far and wide for their unity and harmony. His household, comprising his loving wife, 2 sons, and elderly parents, was a beacon of peace in the community. Zhu Sun believed in the wisdom passed down through generations. A harmonious family leads to prosperity in everything. Each morning, he would rise with the sun, sharing breakfast with his family, ensuring everyone started their day with a sense of unity and purpose. Day began with the children tending to the animals, his wife preparing meals, and Zhu Sun working the fields alongside his aging father, who still offered sage advice and a helping hand. One year, a severe drought struck the region. Many families struggled, their fields turning barren and their spirits breaking. But in Zhu Sun's home, the strength of their bond carried them through. Together, they conserved water, shared what little they had, and supported one another emotionally and physically. Zhu Sun's wife taught the children to weave baskets to trade in nearby villages, while Zhu Sun and his sons worked tirelessly in the fields, using innovative methods to retain moisture and keep their crops alive. The family's unity and hard work paid off. Despite the drought, their fields yielded enough to sustain them, even help their struggling neighbors. Zhu Sun's family shared their surplus with the village, fostering goodwill and strengthening communal bonds. As the drought ended, the village flourished once more. Zhu Sun's family prospered not because of wealth or luck, but because of their unwavering harmony and mutual support. Their home became a symbol of hope and resilience, proving that a harmonious family truly leads to prosperity in everything. Through Zhu Sun's story, the ancient wisdom of the Chinese proverb came to life, illustrating that the foundation of true prosperity is built on the strength and unity of a harmonious family. Have a great day and subscribe to Legendary Words today.